Yo, what's going on YouTube? Let's start the Yamin up. Sheesh! It is a beautiful day in the state of PA. Got the trailer, the truck, looking all good. What the? But anyways, we're going for a bike ride. Look at this vet, man. This thing is beautiful. Let me show y'all the engine real quick. Shit. Sheesh! This thing is beautiful. It's a blessing to have both. ZR1, Ducati. I'm honored to have them. Oh, let me shut the light off. Honored to have them. Love it. Blessed to have them. Bye, baby. She's such a squilly girl. And then her. Oh, there's the 360. I was wondering where the fuck I put that. Let me put this on. A little dirty. It's alright though. Gotta get you guys this content, you know what I mean? Alright, I just washed the bike last night. Actually, before I go, let me show y'all this. Oh, she ain't warmed up yet. There you go. Look at how clean this thing looks. Sheesh. What a beautiful bike. I love cleaning wheels because they just make it look so good. But alright, let's go. Oh, Big Bray calling me. That's an actual photo of bro. Alright, so today we actually meeting up with one of my buddies who rides. He's actually on YouTube, Perp Jixer. He got him, I think it's a 2007 or 8, around that. I mean, they all look the same, but I think it's a 06 to 07. Jixer 600, purple, obviously. That's where he gets his name from. Nice little bike. He let me ride it once. It's clean. But we're going to be meeting up with him and do some bike shit. He wants to hit the city, but I don't know if I want to drive down to Pittsburgh tonight. Steelers played last night. They beat the Giants. That's right. Russell Wilson is him. No, actually, George Pickens is him. That dude is a dog. Damn, man. That's my go-to sheets. Shit, man. You go away for a couple of weeks, they start changing everything around here. What you doing, cuzzo? Yeah, me and my buddy came around this bend right here. He has a Challenger and I was in the vet, and we were cooking, I ain't gonna lie. And there was a state cop sitting right here, and he had his radar gun pointed at us. And I seen him look at me and put it down in his seat like he was about to come out and get us. And obviously we're cooking. I was actually in this lane, and I was like, motherfucker, dude, he got us. So I come down here to this bank. So I make this right at this light, and I pull into that bank, and I'm waiting for him to come just to do the, like, you know, just a mutual respect thing. Like, hey, like, I get it, I seen you, like, you're pulling me over, I knew it. But he never came. And me and my buddy were like, oh shit. Which is crazy. Like, state cops are like the strictest cops out there. But he just never came. I mean, we weren't going that fast. We were just having fun. But, like, the cop was sitting right there. Like, he caught us in 4K. And he just never came. So, shout out to that cop. There was a time when I was in high school. My girlfriend at the time, my buddy who was, like, so I was a defensive end in football, and he was the linebacker right behind me. So, we had a really good connection. And We were coming back from my aunt's up north from a, like, what was it, a 4th of July party? And, I was in my aunt's Buick. I don't even think she knows this story. I was in my aunt's Buick cooking. Probably doing, I don't even know, 110. And a fucking state trooper just lights his lights up on the side of the road. And I was like, oh, fuck. So I pull over. Cop's like, yo, is there a reason why you doing 92 and a 55? And my dumbass was like, I was 16 at the time. I had my license for 2 months. And the cop was like, or I was like to the cop, hey, ain't this Interstate 70? Didn't they up the speed limit to 70 miles an hour? And he's like, yeah, buddy, you're fucking done. I got my license suspended for 6 months. I had to pay a bunch of fines. But it's funny because I didn't tell my aunt that at all. So I got pulled over the next day by my hometown cop. And this shit's so funny. Pulled over by a hometown cop, and my aunt, I told her about that one, but I never told her about the 92 and the 55 because I thought I was just going to pay a fine. Nah, they gave me points. They took my shit, and I had to go to court. And my aunt's like, why the fuck do you got to go to court for like 11 over? It doesn't make no sense. And I told her, I was like, oh no, this is from when I was coming back from Aunt Jodine's house. And she's like, what the fuck? Like in the parking lot, like beating my ass. But like before I go into this little court hearing. But yeah, they took my license. I learned a lot that day, honestly. I haven't got pulled over for speeding since. Which is crazy, knock on wood. I'm really leaning towards getting a 2025 V4S. I just don't know. Like, I really like this bike and I want to keep it. I might wait a year, maybe have them, because it's a new body style. And you know how most cars, like the new body style comes out, there's always some tweaks that they do to it to make it a little better. And every new product has a flaw. So I might wait a year and then get the new V4S Ducati. Because I truly do like the look of it. I just hate how they don't have a single-sided swing arm. That's where they messed up at. We pulling up to Tyler, but his YouTube name is Perp Jixer. Pulling up to his house. Was gonna meet him somewhere, but he had a couple things he had to run and go do. But this ain't that big of a deal. He don't live that far away. This is actually where I rode my first motorcycle at too. It was his I think it was a Kawasaki 200 or something. I'll ask him what exactly it was, but something like that. Oh, he got his bike outside. That purple's sick as fuck. He just bought a new helmet from MacBids for like, I think $100 or something. Which, on his channel, you'll see what it is. I think he's giving it away though, which is sick. Yeah, his bike's clean. He bought this bike for stupid cheap, and like put new plastics and fairings and stuff on it. I think he wants to do new wheels, but it's clean. Man, shit, I got a free Mercedes Benz. Let me get up in this mug. Sheesh. Here's the man, the legend. We got Perp Jixer in the building. He's all sad his mic got broke. Huh? Oh yeah, he washed it twice. He wanted it extra squeaky clean. Alright.
It's only been months since I actually got you outside.
You're outside with it. I actually just washed. I love when I clean the back wheels. I already showed him. Hi, Boaty. You ever see that SpongeBob meme? I'll be doing that to the vet. I'll be drunk as fuck sitting next to it. Hi, Boaty. Oh, okay. Okay. I gotta get gas. There he goes. Yeah, he got a really good deal on that bike. It was like a couple different colors with some broken fairings and plastics, but definitely looks way better now. I like the color of it. He let me ride it, like I said. Different seating position, obviously, than this, but... Oh, we got us another buddy! We got us a friend up here. Oh, really? Nice to meet you, brother. Look at this. See, that's one thing I like about bikes, man. You fucking just run into random bikes. It is a perfect day. What is the temp? 81 in end of October in Pennsylvania is crazy. So I actually met this kid. I was, I think, a senior or junior in high school through a mutual. And I met him down at West Virginia University. Shout out to the Mountaineers, baby! But can't beat it. Known him for a long time. He definitely got a couple screws loose. But he alright. Look at him. Look at him just sitting there. Huh? I never realized that red strip on the back of the hood. Yeah, it's been there. Well, we got us a Corvette. Little C8 action, never hurt nobody. Just a Stingray, though. Oh, boy's trying to get active. Buddy trying to get with it. Oh, okay, he's on me like glue. Yeah, buddy. My boy think he in a Ferrari, baby. He rolling around like he Pop Smoke. Bro's an animal. Yeah, this truck is sick. It's like a two-tone, like Cincinnati Bengal color truck. That's fucking sick. That's a bad bitch. We're pulling in the Hillview Motorsports. It's like a Suzuki, Yamaha. I don't know if they have Kawasaki's. But it's a nice little dealership that's close to us. Park these motherfuckers right over here. You know what I mean? Bruh, I was gonna have you go around in a circle like a merry-go-round. I was gonna have you go around in a circle like a... Alright, let's park. Open the door for your boy. Thank you.
Do you see the Z900 on the other side?
No. Sheesh. Oh, that's clean. It's a 450 though. I like the blue. No, I sold my 450 because I didn't need it. I want a 250. But look at his wheels, dude. They're like blue. I'm definitely gonna get another dirt bike for next year. Got a monster edition. No, like an actual dirt bike.
Nah. Get it so you can go on the street.
Nah.
Look at it clown.
This is exactly what I want.
It's R7, dude.
Fuck that R7. They got the R9 here?
Probably not yet.
YZ250, 50th anniversary, white. brand new on the showroom floor. 4-stroke too. Electric start. They probably want like 7,500 for it.
Look how much taller it is in that platform.
It is the same bike though? Oh yeah, it's the one with the newer headlight.
Oh, is that the new headlight?
I don't know if it's new, but...
Why does that look wider than mine?
This is Jigsaw?
That's the same mine.
That's the 750.
Mm-hmm. But it's the
Oh,
same.
you're talking
frame.
about this one?
They're both.
I thought you were talking about the white one.
They're
Yeah,
both the same. It's the same frame. Same.
What are you talking about? This one's way smaller than that one.
Mm-mm. It's literally
What are
just
you
the
talking
engine.
about?
It's just. Oh yeah, maybe. Man, I'm wrong.
Look at the tanks.
They might have changed it.
250, 50th anniversary one. I'm actually surprised you guys have that here.
You guys probably won't have any of those R9s until next year.
Yeah, they're not going to start shipping until like April, they
Yeah,
said.
I figured. They did, right? I think they did. Last year.
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Yeah. Yeah, 85.73 out the door for that 250F for the anniversary.
You're pretty.
Why is that?
I'm not like a fan of the upright.
The matte's a nice color.
Yeah, but look how dirty it gets. Like, look at it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why I like my color. It's like a semi-satin color. This blue, I love Yamaha blue.
I like this color. This gun.
Yeah, I like the accents on it. Really like this, like Nardo gray Kawasaki's doing now. Oh, yeah, this is a new color too. It's like a green. Got the little Grom things. My buddy wants me to get a 110. That's funny. Oh, they got the 40th anniversary to the 10. ZX10R. This bike is beautiful. 40th anniversary. Olin suspension, I think. Actually, no, this doesn't have Olin's. Showa. This bike is sick. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Bro's a character. Tell you, bro. He's a character. This is pretty much gonna do it for this moto vlog. Me and Ty went, checked out some bikes, nothing too crazy, but it's a beautiful day to ride. If you live up here in the north, you know how scarce it is for us now, being October, November, for us to ride our bikes. So every chance we get, we pretty much hop up on them and go ride for a little bit, but sadly these things are going to be getting put away for winter in the next, who knows, maybe weeks to definitely a month for sure. So if you ride, be safe. Thanks for watching. If you can, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate it. And with that being said, I'm out.